How to become instantly better in sales. Mapa financial advisor ka, mapa freelancer ka, mapa ahente ka ng insurance, or ahente ka ng chicken nuggets. This video is for you. Bago mo ako banatan ng mga pabebe magic mo, sasabihin mo na, ay hindi pa kasi yung magaling na service provider. Ay hindi kasi ganun kaganda yung project namin. Ay kasi hindi ganun kasarap yung binebenta kong tinola. Huwag mo munang isipin yan. Isipin mo muna is this. Repetition is the key for you to become confident. Try to sell every day. Actually, it's not a word try. Sell every day. Every day, every day. Talk to as much people as you can. And unti-unti, you start believing in your product and your service. Nandun na yung confidence. And as soon as you become confident, ile-level up mo din syempre yung promise mo. That's why gagalingan mo. Ulitin mo lang ng ulitin and I promise you, gagaling ka din. Ang selling is just like riding a bike. The more that you do it, the faster that you learn to balance your bike. Siyempre, daming mga dahilan, daming pa-etsyos. Sige, nood ka pa, swipe up ka pa. Pero ang totoo, the only way that you can become better at sales is by mastery and, of course, equivalent to that is confidence. Yun lang. Bye, bashers.